Hey guys, want to do a real quick XRP news video here for you. We're going to talk about an XRP price prediction. We're going to talk about kind of the current state of XRP and crypto. We got XRP down about 1+% right now as of the recording of the video, and crypto's down a little bit. And we're going to talk about obviously the big news that happened this week. So before I get into that, before I show you, there is Raider. He's very excited about my XRP prediction. And there is Bella, and she's very excited as well. So they can't wait. Okay, so let's talk about XRP price prediction. I've said this in a couple of videos and I still believe this. I think that we're gonna see XRP from an XRP price prediction by the end of 2025, easily $5. In fact, I think that's gonna be a nothing number. We're gonna blow past that. And for an XRP price prediction, at least past 10 by the end of 2025, which is more than a 3x from here. And I think we have the potential to go to 15 plus for XRP as we roll into 2026. Now, here's some things that have to happen for that to become a reality. Before I tell you that, links in the description below. Please go grab my free crypto profits wealth generation newsletter. That's a long word, right? It's basically a newsletter that my team sends you twice a week. It's going to show you how to generate even more wealth, even more profits in crypto. No spam, no nothing, just pure 100% content derived and generated solely with the intent of helping you make more money in crypto. Okay, so that's free. It's down there in the link in the description below. If you're watching this on XP, below this video as well. All right, so what's happened this week? We got a major positive good surprise on Friday when the Federal Reserve Chairman Powell came out and was extremely bullish about the possibility of giving us a rate cut in September at the September meeting, okay? It was a shock. That's why you saw everything go up yesterday. You saw XRP go up 7+%, got back up above $3. It's why you saw Ethereum go up to near all-time highs at 4,800 and change. That's why you saw the entire crypto market booming yesterday and up dramatically, okay? It was because of that surprise announcement from the Federal Reserve Chairman, because leading into that, we had been pretty much given the expectation that there was not going to be any type of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut coming in the September meeting. Okay, all of the news coming out was kind of doom and gloom. It was, hey, this is really not going to happen, all of that kind of stuff. Well, again, we got that shock, that surprise announcement from the Federal Reserve Chairman. Okay, so with that, rolling forward, I think that clears the path for that Federal Reserve cut we're going to get in September, which is a positive momentum building catalyst for the entire crypto market for XRP plus as well. And I think that's one of the reasons we're going to see a pretty significant XRP price movement up and a good XRP price prediction here for you. So as far as XRP news goes, we are looking really good. I think we're going to now start to see even more strategic acquisitions, more partnerships announced. We're going to see more stuff coming out from the Ripple team for XRP, and we're going to get a lot of positive momentum and movement out of XRP rolling into the fourth quarter. Again, I think the fourth quarter is going to be dramatic. The fourth quarter is going to be significant gains potential, and we're going to see a lot of good stuff coming as we roll into the fourth quarter. Because with this Federal Reserve decision to reduce those rates, it takes a pretty big obstacle off of the table for us. I think that could have kept crypto down. It could have kept XRP down rolling into that fourth quarter. So we're going to see positive momentum in that regard. Beyond that, we're looking good across the board in crypto. I think the next big thing we got out there is President Putin, President Trump, and Zelensky, their upcoming meeting about trying to end that war between Russia and the Ukraine. So we'll see how that plays out. I think that will be another positive catalyst as we see that unfold, okay? Now, there's obviously positive catalysts. We're basically done with the lawsuit, the Ripple SEC lawsuit. We all know what's going on there. We've covered that in depth. So again, we're looking really good here, guys. We're looking good rolling into that fourth quarter for those significant XRP price prediction numbers that I talked about at the top of the video. Okay, with that, another opportunity I want to make you aware of is links in the description below if you want to pick up my trading indicator X1 Algo. It's about $1.15 a day. It helps you to know when to buy and when to sell any crypto, any stocks like Ethereum. Starting back about in July, it gave a buy alert, sell, buy, sell, and all in about 125% plus move up It would have told you exactly when to buy, when to sell. For Ethereum, as an example, it's been doing the exact same thing for XRP. It gave you a perfect buy and sell for XRP when we went up 60+% in July. Because this is the key. This is how you put more profit, more money in your pocket. Because I'm going to challenge you. Aren't you here watching XRP videos, crypto videos, because you're invested in them and you're trying to make more money to help you accomplish your goals in life, right? That's what it is. Well, use some technology that runs on your iPhone, runs on Android, or runs on a computer. That's what the software does. And it will tell you little pop-ups. It will tell you when to buy, when to sell any crypto you want to track. That's the beauty and the value of what I built here for you. And literally, it's about $1.15 a day. Also, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back refund guarantee. So if you don't like it for any reason within that first 30 days, you get your money back. So you can try this really for free because you have zero risk in this equation. And that's what I wanted to do for you. And come on, $1.15 a day, that's nothing. You spend more than that on a cup of coffee, a soda, a pack of gum. Isn't your financial future worth more than a pack of gum? That's my challenge to you. At least try it. Links are in the description below. If you're watching this on X, links below this video as well. Give her a look. I'll see you. Have a good one.